In this video we'll be looking at section 4.2 extra examples. So this is 4.2, writing slope-intercept form. Extra examples. So let's put our main ideas over in this left-hand column. We'll need a slope-intercept form. Which is our y equals mx plus b. We'll need our y-intercept concept. Where a line crosses y-axis, or where x equals 0. And then we'll need our slope / rate of change concept. Which is our m equals change in y over change in x. So we'll need those three main concepts to be able to get through this. So the first thing we'll want to look at is writing in slope-intercept form. Given a So let's say my graph looks something like this. We have a point right there, 0, 4, and then our other point is right here at 2, 1. Like so. So first we'll identify our y-intercept. That's where we're crossing the y-axis. So that's right here. So that tells me b equals 4, right there. And now I can identify my slope by just counting. I'm going down, so I'm traveling from left to right. So I'll go down 1, 2, 3. So my change in y is -3, and then my change in x is 2. So I'll get that my slope is -3 over 2. My change in y, -3, over my change in x, 2. Now we can plug into our y equals mx plus b, because I have my m, -3 over 2, and I have my b, which is 4. So I'll just say y equals -3 over 2x plus 4, since it's a positive 4, like so. Our next example will be writing in slope-intercept form given a table. So let's say my table is this table right here, x, y, and we have 0, 3, 6, 9, and I have 5, 7, 2, 9. Well, we'll first want to find the y-intercept, and that's where the line crosses the y-axis, or where x equals 0. So right here, I see x equals 0 right here. So this one right here this point right here, 0, 5, tells me that b equals 5. That's my y-intercept. Now we can find our rate of change. So we find our change in our x's and our change in our y's. So let's find our change in x's. From 0 to 3 is plus 3. 3 to 6 is plus 3. 6 to 9 is plus 3. And let's find our change in y's. 5 to 7 is plus 2. 7 to 11. That's supposed to be an 11. Got rid of 2. 5, 7, 9, 11. Sorry about that. So 5 to 7 is plus 2, 7 to 9 is plus 2, and then 9 to 11 is plus 2. So my slope is my change in y, 2, my change in y, over my change in x, positive 3. And now we can write our equation using our y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to go y equals my m, which is 2 over 3, x plus 5, since it's a positive 5. Then I have one more example, extra example, and that's writing equation in slope-intercept form by solving for y. Writing in slope-intercept form by solving for y. So this is where we're just trying to get y by itself by manipulating the equation. So let's say I have 3x minus 4y equals negative 12. Well, the goal is just to solve for y. So the first thing I would do is subtract 3x from both sides. So now I have negative 4y. Those cancel. Bring down my equal sign. I like to write my x's first, so I'll go negative 3x minus 12. Now we want to get y by itself, so it's time to divide, and I'll be equal opportunity divider. So I'll divide every term by negative 4. Those cancel. Negative over negative becomes my positive y equals. Negative over negative becomes a positive 3/4 x. And then a negative 12 over negative 4 becomes positive 3. And now we have solved for y, so we are in our y equals mx plus b form, where m equals 3/4, our slope, and our y-intercept, our b, is equal to 3. And that is how we can solve for y to help us write equations in slope-intercept form. And then also some examples on how we can build equations from tables and how we can build equations from graphs. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.